If your computer feels slow, Windows opens slowly, animations lag, and even simple task feels heavy, then you might be losing free performance that Windows hides by default. In this video, I'll show you how to make Windows 11 run faster in 30 seconds. Before we continue, I want to introduce the WinSpeed Boost Pro. It optimizes your PC the advanced way. It can disable heavy visual effects, turn off unnecessary transparency, remove the startup delay that slows down login, switch your PC to the high-performance power plan, clean temporary files, and even help you manage startup programs. Everything is organized in simple options. And the best part is, it automatically creates a backup before making any changes, so you can restore everything back to normal anytime. If you want to optimize your PC further than this tutorial provides, I have pinned the download link in the top comment. To begin, press Windows plus S on your keyboard. This opens the Windows search bar. Now type Adjust, Appearance, and Performance of Windows. You should see the option appear at the top. Go ahead and click it. A new window will open called Performance Options. This is where Windows controls all visual effects, things like animations, fade effects, shadows, and fancy transitions. These effects make Windows look smooth and modern. But here's the problem. Every single one of them uses CPU, RAM, and sometimes even GPU resources. On high-end computers, you won't notice it. But on slower PCs, laptops, or older systems, these effects can quietly steal performance from your system. And that's why turning them off can immediately make your computer feel faster. At the top of this window, you will see 4 options. Let Windows choose what's best for your computer, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance, and the custom mode. Most tutorials stop here and simply tell you to select adjust for best performance. And yes, that works. But if you want the maximum speed improvement and also keep smooth usability while still gaining performance, select custom. Now scroll through the list and enable only these important options. Show thumbnail instead of icons. This makes pictures and videos easier to identify. Smooth edges of screen fonts. This keeps text clear and readable. Show window contents while dragging. Without this, windows can feel strange when you move them. Now leave most of the other effects unchecked. These extra animations look nice, but they quietly slow down weaker systems. Once you are done, click Apply and then OK. And that's it. By reducing these visual effects, you allow your computer to focus its resources on what actually matters, which is performance. If your PC felt slow before, you should already notice that things feel much more responsive. And one thing I want to show you before we end this video is the restore feature of the WinSpeed Boost Pro. Every time WinSpeed Boost Pro applies an optimization, it automatically saves a backup of your original Windows settings. That means if you ever want to go back to the default Windows appearance, you can simply choose the restore option here, and the tool will safely undo all the changes for you. So nothing is permanent, and you always stay in control of your system. If you want a simple way to speed up Windows without starting the registry or digging through complicated menus, you can download WinSpeed Boost Pro from the pinned comment below. Try it out, and you should notice your system feeling faster almost immediately.